As a beginner, here are 3 things to consider when getting a card. 1. It must not have an annual fee. 2. It must have some sort of cashback earning. And 3. Some sort of sign-up bonus. The most important thing you do, pay on time and in full. So one day you can get cards like these.
Absolutely.
3. The Chase Freedom family. $200 sign-up bonus for both. This gives 5% cashback bonus on rotating quarterly categories. This gives 1 point.
Oh no. You do not start off building or rebuilding your credit anywhere near the Chase Freedom family. The entry-level credit score for this credit card is 680 points. And in most cases, you need a little bit of a buffer, like upwards of 690, 700, because one of your bureaus is going to be lagging. And although we have an idea of what bureaus the Chase Freedom family cards pull from, it's not always guaranteed because it's based on your state and location as well. A better option for a third entry-level credit card would be something like the Citi Custom Cash or Citi Double Cash card. The entry-level credit scores for those cards are about 40 to 50 points lower than these that he has on the screen right now. What you want to do is give yourself a chance to get off the ground starting to build good credit history. What you don't want to do is start off with declines for empty inquiries. This not only hurts your score, but can potentially make you look credit thirsty to other credit lenders. So I would stay away from this one until you're a little bit more advanced. And I want you to keep in mind something about especially the Freedom Unlimited card. That, along with the American Express Gold card, are probably 2 of the most versatile credit cards that you're ever going to get your hands on, even at an 800 credit score. So let's hold off on the Chase family for right now.
5% cashback everywhere. 2. The Discoverette. This gives a 5% cashback category that rotates every quarter, and it doubles your cashback in the first year, so effectively 10%. 1. Capital One Quicksilver. $200 sign-up bonus, 1.5% cashback everywhere, and no foreign transaction fee. I love it as 1 because it's probably one of the easier ones to get approved for in this entire list.
So I love the last 2 choices that he had. Matter of fact, these are the 2 that I recommend to all of my clients who are building or rebuilding their credit. The reason is that their credit score thresholds are so low that even if you have some blemishes on your credit file, you still have a pretty high approval chance if you haven't screwed up with them in the past. Now, both of these cards will give you a pretty good chance with learning how to operate credit cards with rewards and benefits. And one more thing that I want to make you aware of about both of these cards is that they both have several versions of these credit cards. Capital One has several versions of the Quicksilver card, and Discover has many versions of the Discover It card. Some of those cards come with annual fees. So you want to make sure that before you get into the application process that you selected the proper card. If you want to learn more about both of these cards, feel free to check out the link in the first comment. Listen guys, if you like this video and you want to see more content just like it, make sure that you like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so that you get alerts every time I drop a new video. Now, a lot of people who watch my content, just like most people in America, are facing credit challenges and don't really know what to do and don't know where to turn because you don't want to spend a whole bunch of money trying to fix your credit, but you want a viable option to make sure that you do the best job possible. A few months back, I dropped a brand new platform that will allow you to challenge anything on your credit that's inaccurate, unfairly reported, being reported untimely, or is unverifiable by the credit bureaus. And it will allow you to do it for a fraction of the cost of professional credit repair. I want you to go to beastdiy.com right now and check out your options. If it seems like it might be a good fit, give it a shot. Other than that, I want to thank you guys so much for your support because I know you can get your credit knowledge anywhere on the internet, but you're here with me. Be blessed.